Hello and welcome to the post-market update from Nirmal Banga. I'm Viral Dadia. Overall, if you go to see, it was a good day of trade. In fact, it's the third
witnessing as well. Apparently, it seems that the lockdowns that have started to open up across the globe, that's something which is having a positive impact as well on the domestic markets. The uptrend continues in today's session on the Lal Street, and clearly we have been taking cues from the global markets as well, especially with what's happening in the Asian markets, the kind of uptrend that we've seen in the morning session. Overall, if you go to see in terms of markets right now, the overall trend continues to be, on an up move. The surge is almost towards the day's highest levels. You have Nifty, which is up almost 3%, and we've already topped that 9,850 mark in intraday trade, and this is the highest level in today's session that we've seen in the last 3 months. Sensex as well, an up move of almost 1,000 points coming in on that front. And if you see in Nifty 50, we've surpassed the crucial level of 9,500 mark in today's day of trade. If that is going to be sustainable or not is something that we need to watch out for. Clear uptrend coming in terms of where the financial names are concerned, and that is what is giving support to today's market. Because if you see Bank Nifty, we are up almost around 4% in terms of where Bank Nifty is concerned. And there is support coming in, through buying that is coming in across the board. So it's not any individual sector that is supporting the markets across the board. We are seeing broad-based buying that's happening. Banking, financials, metals, and FMCG. The heavyweights of these sectors are the ones that are actually lending that support to Nifty 50 as well. And you have Nifty Pharma, which has fair losses in today's day of trade. If you see the advanced decline ratio as well, it's all been pretty much in favor of the bulls. And that's something which is a positive trend that we have been picking up. Away from that, if you go to see Nifty 50, 45 of the 50 Nifty 50 components are trading in the positive. So again, that trend seems to be pretty much on the uptrend. Overall, if you go to see the broader markets as well, you have the mid cap and the small cap index, which are trading pretty much in line with the benchmark indices in today's session. So it's not only the large caps, it's the large caps, mid caps, as well as the small caps, which are participating in terms of today's rally. Let's quickly understand the top gainers and losers. So you have stocks like Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Titan, Tata Steel, M&M, JSW Steel. These are a few of the names which are the top gainers in trade today, whereas on the losing end, you have stocks like Dr. Reddy's, Cipla, Bharti Infratel, Sun Pharma, Nestle, as well as an Ultratech Cement. So there is that somewhat of pressure coming in with regards to the pharma names, and that's where the focus is on. On the broader markets, you have stocks like Shoppers Stop, ITBI Bank, IFCI, Chalet Hotels, Jindal Stainless, Time Technopass. These are a few of the top gainers coming in from the broader markets, whereas Ajanta Pharma, Future Lifestyle, Colgate, Aurobindo Pharma, Tata Consumer, and the Torrent Pharma are few of the top losers as well coming in from the broader markets. Cipla is trading at a 52-week high, so in spite of there being pressure with regards to where the pharma names are concerned, you still have one stock at a 52-week high. And from the broader markets, you have Adani Green, Bayer Crop Science, Biocon, Britannia Industries, Dhanuka Agritech. These are few of the names which are trading at a 52-week high from BSE 500. And you have IIFL Finance, which has hit a 52-week low. In terms of individual counters, you have Adani Power. The board has considered delisting of entire equity shares from BSE as well as NSE, and that stock is in focus. Maruti Suzuki is catching up speed after extending free services as well as warranty to the customers. So again, it's a sentimental move that we're seeing with regards to Maruti. And today is the first of the month, so you have a lot of auto sales numbers that are trickling in as well. Yes Bank has acquired 25% stake in Dish TV, so we have both the counters which are in focus. Indian Hotels has got the nod to raise almost around 300 odd crores via NCDs, and that stock is in on an uptrend as well. Ramco, you have Crompton Greaves as well, which has surged again on the back of the fundraising that we have been talking about. Apart from that, VIP Industries, again, a smart up move coming in today's day of trade. And this is the third consecutive session we are seeing smart gains coming in for VIP Industries. Amber Enterprises, that's another counter which has been reacting to earnings. Shriram Transport Finance is considering raising of funds through various options of borrowing. So that's another stock that we have been focusing on as well. Apart from these names, Jubilant Life Science, again, the stock is locked in upper circuit reacting to numbers. And if you talk about Cupid, the operations have been impacted for a period of almost a month. That's what the company has intimated right now. Piramal Enterprises is the top performer on the Nifty Pharma Index. The stock is up almost around 11 to 12% as we speak. And Credit Access, Grameen, NCC, these are a few of the other names that have been reacting to numbers. In terms of the auto sales numbers that we were mentioning as well, Maruti Suzuki, they reported a total sales of almost around 18,500 odd units for the month of May. And, that's the numbers. The shares are up almost around 3.9% due to seeing sub-sales versus no sales in the month of November. In the month of April. In terms of escorts as well, the stock has declined because the overall sales for the month of May has fallen, and it's just around 6,500 to 6,600 odd units. So that's the number that we've been looking at with regards to where escorts is concerned. So these are the movers and shakers. But overall, if you go to see, it's a strong start that we have seen in the month of June. Let's see if this movement continues as well, because May overall also has been a good month. We've not seen any selling pressure in the month of May. So let's see if there is selling pressure that comes in the month of June or not. But right now, it seems to be a good day of trade. That's all that we have in the afternoon market update. Thanks for watching.